everyone, I'm Sakura Yubi. I am Japanese and my passion is cooking and eating. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare sashimi out of this beautiful little fish. It's a horse mackerel and we call it aji in Japanese. It's available all year round here in Japan and it's delicious. Okay, let's get into it. First, we're gonna remove the scales. They are very fine and hardly visible, but they are there. And then we're gonna take out the inside. So, cut into the belly. And then remove the parts of the insides that are attached to the flesh with your knife. Like here. And then gently pull out the insides. Now, do you see some blood clots under the spine? Gently scrape that with the tip of your knife so that we can easily rinse it off with running water. And then we're going to wash this with running water really well. Now we are going to remove the scutes, which are these hard spikes, so that they're not going to hurt our hands as we do the upcoming steps. Just run your knife underneath the scutes from the tail side. These are scutes. And now we are going to remove the head. So cut halfway into the fish, just behind the pectoral fin. And do the same thing on the other side. But this time, cuts all the way down to remove the head. Okay. Now we're going to remove the flesh on both sides of the spine. So we're going to do that by slicing the fish into 3 layers. 2 layers of flesh and 1 thin layer of spine in the middle. So make horizontal incisions just above the bones until you reach the spine, from the belly side and from the back side. And now the flesh is connected only above the spine. So penetrate the knife just above the spine, all the way up, all the way to the other side. And then run the knife towards the head. And remove the tail side. This is 1 layer of flesh. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay. So now we have 2 layers of flesh and 1 little layer of the spine. We can throw this away. So now we're going to remove the skin. First, trim off here a little bit. And then pick a corner and gently peel off the skin from the flesh. Now you can do this with your hands, or you can use the back of your knife like this. Hold the skin down. And when you're done halfway, you can continue with your hands. So now we're going to remove the bones. So there are some thick bones here. So we're going to remove those using the knife. So just slice the knife underneath these bones. There are some shorter bones along the center. So we're going to remove them using the tweezers. They're a little harder to see, but you can easily feel them with your fingers. Okay, so the hard part is over. Now we're going to slice the fish. So to make it look a little pretty, I like to make shallow slits on the skin. And then for slicing, try not to go back and forth with your knife. Try to slide just in a single direction all the way. And for that, this sashimi knife is better because it has this long blade, but you can use a regular knife too. Let's plate this with some garnish. So for garnish, I'm going to use some oba leaves and edible flower. Okay, and remove some petals from the edible flower. There you have it. Horse mackerel sashimi is done. So just a quick tip. Chill it in the fridge for about 10 minutes or longer before you eat, because that way you can keep the fish firm and fresh, and it tastes so much better that way. Okay, here it is. So here I have wasabi, ginger, and soy sauce. Let's have a taste. I tell you something. I admit it was a hard work, but it was really worth it. It's delicious. It tastes fresh and clean, and yet there is some deep umami and some fattiness. It's amazing. Now, sashimi goes perfectly with Japanese sake. This alcoholic beverage is made from rice and has a very delicate flavor. The one I'm having today is called Nambu Bijin Junmai Daiginjo Aiyama. Junmai Ginjo refers to a type of Japanese sake that was made from very polished rice. And it's generally considered to be the top grade. So it's for a special occasion. Let's pour some here. I had it chilled in the fridge. Oh my god. So I hadn't had this for over a year. It's clean, sweet, and soft, and there is this amazing flavor that spreads across your mouth. It's amazing. Really good. Now I wanted to drink this special drink today because today is a special day for me. I am celebrating a new start of my channel, showing my face and talking in front of you for the first time. It took a lot of time and courage to prepare myself for this, but finally here I am. And I am really hoping to up my game and share many exciting things with you. So I'm planning many things for Sakura Yubi channel. Of course, I will be sharing more of these cooking videos because cooking is my passion, and I believe I have many interesting things up my sleeve that other people are not sharing. But this channel won't be just a cooking channel. I will also go out there to explore the streets and restaurants in Tokyo and share many things surrounding food and Tokyo, because I've been having a lot of fun and I want to share that fun with you. You will be exploring the city through my eyes. And if that sounds interesting to you, please like and subscribe. Let's take on this exciting journey together. And if you have any requests on what you want me to do or where you want me to go, please leave me a comment. Let's make this Sakura Yubi channel an interactive one. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. And until then, take care. Bye.